They are the last remaining ancient wonders of the world, monuments to forgotten pharaohs who are forever slumbering beneath them. For thousands of years, the Great Pyramids have guarded their secrets. But how did the pharaohs build the impossible? Welcome back, everyone, it's me. And today, we are going to explore the remarkable feat of engineering that is the Great Pyramid of Giza. As always, if you enjoy learning about history's greatest mysteries, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never misses an exciting episode. You can also check out my podcast, available on various platforms. We think we know quite a lot about the pyramids, especially considering that they were built more than 4,500 years ago. Their construction is a testament to the incredible skill and determination of the ancient Egyptians, who were able to move and place millions of massive stones with incredible precision. But despite all of our knowledge, there are still many questions that remain unanswered. One of the most important questions is, how did they do it? How did the ancient Egyptians build these enormous structures without the use of modern tools and technology? In fact, the sheer scale of the pyramids is truly mind-boggling. The largest pyramid, the Great Pyramid of Khufu, is over 450 feet tall and contains more than 2 million limestone blocks. Each block weighs several tons, and they were all transported and lifted into place without the aid of modern equipment. The precision with which the blocks were cut and placed is also astonishing. The average deviation from true angles around the base course is less than 1/10 of a second. To put that into perspective, the average deviation from the horizontal of the base course is approximately 0.0006 degrees. This level of precision is truly remarkable when you consider the tools and techniques that were available to the ancient Egyptians. They didn't have the benefit of modern surveying equipment or even steel tools. Yet they were able to create structures that are still standing strong after all these years. One of the most enduring images of Egypt is the Great Sphinx, with its timeless gaze fixed on the horizon. But what if there was more to this enigmatic structure than meets the eye? According to some experts, the Sphinx holds the key to one of the greatest mysteries of the pyramids: how they were built. These experts believe that the answer lies in the very foundation of the pyramids, in the alignment of the stones with the stars above. Take a look at the entrance to the Great Pyramid of Khufu. What do you notice about it? Do you see anything unusual or mysterious? If you look closely, you will see that the entrance is perfectly aligned with the North Star, also known as Polaris. This is no coincidence. The ancient Egyptians were incredibly skilled astronomers, and they used their knowledge of the stars to align many of their structures, including the pyramids. But there is another fascinating detail about the alignment of the pyramids. The sides of the pyramids are almost exactly aligned with the cardinal points of the compass: north, south, east, and west. This is another example of the incredible precision and skill of the ancient builders. In fact, the accuracy of the alignment is so precise that some scholars believe that the Egyptians must have used sophisticated instruments, such as the merkhet or astrolabe, to achieve this level of precision. These tools allowed the ancient Egyptians to measure angles and positions with great accuracy, which would have been essential for the construction of the pyramids. But the alignment of the pyramids with the stars and the cardinal points of the compass is just one piece of the puzzle. It does not explain how the massive stones were moved and lifted into place. There are many theories about how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. Some believe that they used a combination of ramps, levers, and rollers to move the stones into place. Others believe that they used copper tools, such as chisels and saws, to cut and shape the stones more easily. However, none of these theories are widely accepted among scholars. And the truth is that we may never know for sure how the ancient Egyptians built the pyramids. Now let's address a common misconception. Many people believe that the pyramids were built by slaves, but this is not true. In fact, the pyramids were built by skilled workers who were paid for their labor. These workers were highly skilled masons, carpenters, engineers, and astronomers who were proud of their work, and the pyramids stand as a testament to their skill and craftsmanship. Another intriguing possibility is that the ancient Egyptians used advanced engineering methods and technologies that have been lost to history. Some researchers believe that the Egyptians may have used sophisticated tools or machines that we are not aware of, such as cranes or other lifting devices. Others believe that they may have used techniques, such as the use of inclined planes or spiral ramps, to move the stones to the top of the pyramids. We don't know much about these alternative theories, but it's possible that they may hold some truth. After all, We have to remember that the ancient Egyptians were incredibly inventive and resourceful people. They developed many advanced concepts and technologies that were centuries ahead of their time. So it's not impossible that they used methods that we have not yet discovered. It's important to note that the pyramids were built over a period of several hundred years, and it's likely that different building methods were used during this time. As technology improved and new techniques were developed, it's possible that some pyramids were built using more advanced methods than others. What do we actually know? Today, as engineers and scientists continue to study the pyramids in an effort to unlock their secrets and learn more about how they were built. Researchers are using advanced technologies, such as laser scanning and computer modeling, to create detailed maps of the pyramids and simulate how they may have been constructed. These efforts are not only helping us to better understand the pyramids, but they are also providing valuable insights into the lost civilization that built them. The Great Pyramids of Giza are truly a testament to the ingenuity and hard work of the ancient Egyptians. Despite all of the theories and speculation about how they were built, we may never know the full story behind these amazing structures. The pyramids remain a living mystery, a reminder that some secrets of the past may never be fully explained. I hope you enjoyed learning more about the fascinating history of the Great Pyramids of Giza. Don't forget to leave us a comment below with any thoughts or insights you may have. If you love exploring history's greatest mysteries, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time. Until next time, stay curious and keep asking questions. Who knows, you might just uncover the next great historical mystery. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more great videos. And if you want more mysteries, check out my podcast, available on various platforms.